Margarida! Today, this video is for you. We're gonna have a story about 1, 2, 3 little cats. But when cats are very small, we call them kittens. Can you do number 3 using your fingers? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, or bloop. 1, 2, 3. Shall we? Let's have the story. I'm so excited because Sophia loves this story. Do you know this story? Oh, sleepy. Sleepy kittens. Ay, let's see. Oops. 1, 2, 3 little kittens loved to play. They had fun in the sun all day. Then their mother came out and said, "Time for kittens to go to bed." 3 little kittens started to bawl. "Mommy, Mommy, we are not tired at all." Their mother smiled and said with pearl, "Fine, but at least you should brush your fur." Let's brush their fur. Brush your fur too. 3 little kittens with fur all brushed said, "We can't sleep, we feel too rushed." Their mother replied with a voice like silk, "Fine, but at least you should drink your milk." Let's drink our milk. Now the 2 little kittens. Delicious. 3 little kittens with milk all gone rubbed their eyes and started to yawn. Yawn. We can't sleep. We can't even try. Then their mother sang a lullaby. "Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr." Good night, kittens. Close your eyes. Sleep in peace until you rise. Though while you sleep, we are apart. Your mommy loves you with all her heart. Now they're sleeping.